Welcome to Sumago Infotech Private Limited, a trusted name in IT industry for the past 13 years, proudly based in Nashik with our presence in Pune and California, USA. Every year, we empower hundreds of students through our industrial training programs specifically designed for Polytechnic and Diploma students. At Sumago, we are not just providing training, we are creating an industry experience. Last year, we successfully conducted training for students from 90 plus colleges across Maharashtra, and the responses was truly overwhelming. Our training environment includes fully equipped labs, proper seating and professional setup, highly experienced trainers with 6 plus years of industry experience. Being an AI focused IT company, we ensure that students learn the latest technologies, not outdated concepts. Because at Sumago, we believe in quality over quantity. That's why students from all over Maharashtra choose us year after year. But training at Sumago is not limited to classroom. We provide expert session by industry professionals, hands-on practical learning, financial sessions and career guidance sessions. We also focus on real industry culture where students experience work responsibility, team collaboration, real-time problem solving, and yes, fun activities too. Because industrial training should feel like working in an actual company, not sitting in a classroom. This year, we are taking it to the next level. With our newly expanded office, we are offering 4 hours daily training sessions, learning experience, and practical implementation at the same place. Our goal is simple: to prepare you for the real IT industry. And at the end of the journey, we celebrate your efforts through our grand valedictory program, where we recognize talent with awards like Best Developer, Best Designer, Students of the Year, and many more. Because your hard work deserves recognitions. Most importantly, the love and feedback we received from every year motivate us to do even more better. So if you are a second year diploma students, this is your opportunity to experience real industrial training. Join us at Sumago Infotech, where you don't just learn, you grow, you experience, and you become industry ready. Sumago Infotech Private Limited, delivering quality training, building future professionals. Thank you.